Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Brilliant Diamond on PC using Ryujinx. First, you will need to download the Ryujinx emulator. Visit the official website and grab the latest version. Make sure your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor for smooth gameplay. Installing the correct graphics drivers is also crucial for optimal performance. Next, you will need to acquire the game file for Pokémon Brilliant Diamond. This file, often called a ROM, is essential for the emulator to run the game. You also need the latest Nintendo Switch firmware files. These are critical for the emulator's functionality. Keep both the game and firmware files organized in a dedicated folder on your computer for easy access. Now, let's configure Ryujinx. Open the emulator and navigate to the settings menu. First, install the downloaded firmware by selecting Tools, then Install Firmware. Adjust the graphics settings to balance visual quality and performance. Often, setting resolution scaling to 100% works well. Finally, map your keyboard or gamepad controls for a comfortable gaming experience. With everything set up, it's time to launch your game. In Ryujinx, add the folder containing your Pokémon Brilliant Diamond game file. The game will then appear in the main window. Simply double-click its icon to begin your adventure. Ensure your controller is connected and properly configured. You are now ready to explore the Sinnoh region and catch all your favorite Pokémon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.